Может быть, вы туда смотрите? Да, что-то пишет.
Bring the palms to the Adapt Namaskaram. Starting place. Inhale. Gently bring your both hands back, catch hold of your wrist. Inhale. Exhale, slowly extend from your low back, middle back and the upper back. Drop your forehead down as a mark of surrender. Now inhale, slowly come up. Open the chest. Release the hands, rub your palms against each other. Make it into cup shape. Place it in and around your eyes. Slowly open. Anyone having any aches or pains in the body? Everyone is have some strain or injury. Legs. Tired on the joints or on the muscles. So take care. Listen to your body and go accordingly. If you don't push, don't force. You can come to the starting position. Sit on your legs. Vajrasana or Virasana. Make the measurement and slowly come out. We go for tiger stretch. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Change, relax in sides. Sit back on your legs and drop. Once again, slowly come up, make the measurement. When you listen to the sound of the exhalation, see don't do the nasal expiration, it should be from here. When you do one exhalation, forceful exhalation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now change, relaxing sides. Once again, slowly make the measurement and come up. We go for tiger rotation. Clockwise, 1, 2. Initially you can bend the elbows, move the hip, doesn't matter. Okay, but don't keep the body stiff and try to rotate. Try to make yourself comfortable. 2, There should be fold in the belly. When you do, you are flexing, you are closing, you are moving. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change opposite side. 1, 2. Relax the neck. Don't fold or tighten the neck. 3, 4, 5, 6. Just change. Relax in child's pose. Sit back on your legs and relax. Relax yourself. Relax yourself. Relax. Sit back on your child's pose. Sit back on your legs and relax. Roll the forehead side to side. Now slowly come up. Come to sitting position. So being one session, it's hard. Maybe when you do, I can see people, you do like this initially. Some people rotate only the pelvis. Some people rotate only the upper part. So you have to use the whole body when you do. It takes some days to practice, okay? Being a short session, I don't push much. So you just imitate me. Okay, what is possible? Because correction, hand should be corrected, arm position should be corrected. So we try our best, okay? But like individually, it has to be looked and corrected. Then understand, it takes some time. Next, we come up, come to standing position. Now what we are going to do is called Pavana Muktasana, the joint freeing series. So we do a small extract from that. Because the whole series, it will not be able to be done in the first day. I have to see your body constitution, how your body is behaving, how you are habituating yourself to the practice. Then only we have to add the practice. It goes traditionally, it goes like this. Okay, place the hands in your hips and just do it together. Lift the right leg up, toes pointing up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change sideways. 1, both the sides. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change rotation. 1, point the toes and draw a big circle. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change opposite side. 1, 2. Don't lock the knee. 3. Relax the legs. 4, 5, 6. Now change. Curl the toes pointing like a knife edge. 1, like this. One side is anatomically possible, another side is impossible. Okay, not possible. One side is possible. You can curl. 4, 5, 6. Now change. Drop the right leg down. Left leg up. Toes pointing up and down. 1. Heels out. Toes up. Toes down. Heels up. 2, 3, 4. Make sure that the toe is not here like this. Not like that. Corrections I am not doing. So just watch. The heel, ball and toe should be in the same straight line. 4, 5, 6. Now change sideways. 1, 2, 3. You may have a tendency to move this. Keep this stable. 4, 5, 6. Now change rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change. Curl the toes pointing like a knife edge. 1, knife edges. 2, 3, 4. Should go like this. 5 and 6. Relax. Drop the legs down. So in this we go joint by joint. Okay, because there are a lot of structural imbalances in the body. Sometimes you may have a hyperextension, bow leg, knocked knee, hyperextension in the neck. You have a lot of physical imbalances, muscular imbalances. These are the techniques which can reintegrate, realign your body. After mastering this properly, if you go into sun salutation asanas, the body will be more harmonized. That is it. This is also a way to look into the positions. Okay. First we did ankle, knee, hip, shoulder, elbow, wrist, spine, neck. So we cover up every joint. We try to mobilize and improve the range of movement. That's the whole idea. At least you have to know. I don't want to just do the practice and go out. You have to understand it a little bit. So now bend forward, adjust your pants, place the palms on the top of the knees and thighs. Adjust your pants, open the knees and sit. Open, sit. Close, up. Open, sit. Close, up. 3. Open, sit. Close, up. 4. Open, sit. Close, up. 5. Open, sit. Close, up. 6. Open, sit. Close, up. Now change complementary. Close, sit, open, come up. 1. Close it, open, up. 2. Close it. Now we may, the angle will be actually should be like this. The pelvis should be relaxed. Shoulder should be relaxed. I am not holding, rotating the elbow. Lot of corrections we are not doing, and we are just doing. Okay. Up. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change. Turn the body towards the sideways. Turn the body towards the sideways. Turn the body towards the sideways. Spread the legs apart. Bring the thigh muscles parallel to the floor. Sit on the legs. Knee, hip, ankle in the same straight line. Knee, hip, ankle in the same straight line. Shoulders over the shoulder. Pelvis, drop, twist to the shoulders. 1. Now you have hyper. This. Remember, we don't correct anything. Now you are just imitating. 2. 3. 4. Press the palms against the thighs and knees. 5. Say for example, if you can see, I am not correcting. If you correct, can you press? You see the angle should be corrected a little bit. The angle. Each and every joint has to be relocated. We are not doing that. It takes time. 6. Now change. Bring the body parallel to the floor like this, and then go for the twist. 1. Initially you can bend the elbow. No problem. You can bend and twist. When you do it normally, it should be straight, and then you are twisting. 2. You are just moving between the clavicle, this bone. This is the only part moving. 3. 4. Change. 5. 6. Now change. Keep the legs apart. Catch hold of the ankle, hip up and down. Stretch out the chin, abdomen out, chest out, not hunching. Bend the arm. The arm should be bended. Usually it will be like this. When you come naturally, it should be, when you bend, this should be the posture. 1. Hip up and down. Look forward, chin out. 2. Like this. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change, bring the hands inside the body, lock. Sit on the upper arms. Hip up and down. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change, slowly come up. Come to a standing position. Keep the legs apart at your shoulder level. Place the hands in your hips. Go for the hip rotation. 1. Try to feel, just don't do it mechanically. When you really feel the stretch in the lateral side, the body weight is shifted to the right field. Forward, lateral side, posterior side. So in that the whole body is involving, not just doing only this. I am trying to use the whole body. You see, use the whole body, whole muscles. You have more than 600 muscles in the body. Try to evolve. 4, 5, 6. Now change opposite side, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change. Go for the feet together, heels and toes together. Go for the same hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes when you do, you keep this table, you are doing only this. You watch yourself. 6. Now change opposite side. I am taking it in a little bit faster pace today. There's only 40 to 50 minutes are there. At least you take this back. When you go back. Usually the classes will be slow. 3. Yes. Now change, go for the forward and backward bend. 1. Bend forward and arch back. 1. Bend forward and arch back. When you bend forward, just don't bend forward. The lower abdomen touching the front thigh muscle. Then only these muscles will be lifted. Can you see? Not bending like this. Bend forward, arch back, move the hip forward, abdomen out, open the chest, at last drop the head back. 2. Bend forward and arch back. Open, open. 2. 3. Exhale down, inhale, arch back. 4. 5. 6. Now change, inhale, extend both the arms up above the head. Exhale, slowly bend forward, inhale, arch back, open. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Now change, release. Place the hands in your hips. Lift the right leg up and rotate across the left leg. Rotate. Forward and backward. 1. Lift and drop. Rotate it back. 3. 4. Across and around. 5. 6. Now change opposite leg. Left leg across the right leg and open. Close. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. So still we are in the hip socket. First we did the ankle, knee, we are going with the hip. Okay, and then cross the leg and then try to sit down and then come up. Bring the body parallel to the floor. If you want, you can also bend like this and sit. 1. Flex the leg and sit down and come up. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change, come up, come to standing position. Extend the arms in front of the chest, palms facing downward, palms facing up and down. 1. 2. This is easy. You have to keep the arm in the same straight angle. 4. 5. 6. Now change sideways. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change rotation. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change opposite side. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change counter. Right hand palm facing forward, left hand palm facing backward. 1. 2. Do it slowly. 3. This is coming to the center, opposite. 4. 5. Coordination with the mind. 6. Now change shoulder touch. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change shoulder touch and open. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change, touch the elbows, go for the elbow raising. 1. 2. 3. Touch the elbows. Then only you smash your pectorals and open the scapula more. 5. Touch. 6. Now your hands are going like this. You have to pull it diagonally like this. This is the extension. Exact extension will happen. You haven't corrected. Okay, understand? So rotation. 1. Draw a big circle with your elbows. Big circle. 2. Touch the elbows. Touch the elbows. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change opposite side. Forward rotation. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now change, lock the fingers, relax the shoulders, go for scapula up and down or shoulders up and down. 1. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change. Shoulder rotation backwards. 1. Rotate it fully. 2. See, complete the circle. Just don't do this. You have to rotate it, move it fully and rotate it and bring it down. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change opposite side, forward rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change counter. Bend the wrist and lift the opposite shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change, extend the arms in front of the chest, palms facing each other. Turn out the palms facing outward, right hand above the left hand. Lock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enough, 4 is enough. Inhale, extend the arms up above the head. Exhale, go for the lateral bend. Hip sideways and lateral bend. Don't lock the hip and go. They should move like this. 2. Hip should go away. 3. Hip should move. 4, 5, and 6. Now change. Drop the hands down in front of the chest. Go for the twist and turn back. 1, 2. Chin over the shoulders. Whenever you chin over the shoulders. 3, 4. Bend the elbow like you are moving from here. 5 and 6. Now change. Release the hands and loosen up. Inhale, extend the arms up. Turn out the palms facing outward. Left hand above the right hand. Lock the fingers. 1, 2. Or else do it here. If it is hard for you up above the head, do it here. This is enough. 4, 5, 6. There are many different angles in which you can do. Depend on which muscle you have to use. And this depends. This is not a unique. This is not a one way. We choose according to the person where you have to move, which muscle you have to work. It's a technique, but you keep on modifying. Okay, extend the arms up, biceps touching the ears. Inhale, exhale, hip sideways and lateral bend. 1. Hip should move, swing like a swing. You should feel the stretch completely in the lateral side, not just only in the scapula or in the lateral muscle. It should be from the thigh muscle. If you want to feel the more deeper stretch, you can stretch like this and see. Feel. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now change, drop the hands down, go for the twist and turn back. 1. Keep the pelvis facing forward. Initially, you may rotate the hip, no problem. But day by day when you do, you have to keep the pelvis stable and rotate the upper body. So when I am doing, this is straight and stable. Okay, 3. Turn back, turn chin over the shoulder, both the sides. 4, yes, 5, and 6. Now change, release and relax. Drop the hands down, place the hands in your hips, neck up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change, chin in line with the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change, ears in line with the shoulders. Lateral 1. See, always when you do, don't drop the hands and do. Support. Then only the upper scapula and the muscles will come up. Upper trapezius will come up and support. 4, 5, 6. Now change, lift the shoulders up. Drop the chin down. Rotate ear to ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change, lift the shoulders up, chin face to sky, rotate. 1, chin facing to the sky. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change, drop the hands down, open the hands, go for the scapula catch, go for the twist. 1, 2, both the sides, turn and back. 3,
Should be move the pelvis or
Yeah, now you can move. Initially, if you are doing it for the first time, this practice, you can move. But day by day, it changes. 4, 5, 6. Now change, because sometimes people will have a flat pelvis, bony projection. If they start to stabilize, the pelvis, they may get like a nerve root pain. They'll have pain. They will start to get some strain. That's why initial days you move and you isolate this muscle, and then coming days when the teacher feels that it is stable, when you are going to practice, when you feel that it is stable for you, you can rotate. If you don't have muscle here, if you are keeping it more stable, you will get strain in the back or in the hip joint. Somewhere the nerve, because its nerves are very sensitive. Okay, that is what. Next, can we go for the opposite side? Opposite side, left over the right. First you did like this, you go for the opposite. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now actually it looks like this. When you exactly look, it will look like this. You do scapula catch. Like this. Now usually when you do it, you have to do like this. Can you see my back muscle? The length of my back muscle? Initially you have to do like this. And then slowly when you get some stability and the pectoral muscle is fully closed, when you have this flexibility to catch hold of the scapula fully, and then the arms are stable, and then you can twist from here. And you can say I'm closing this one like this. If you have a bony projection, most of the practitioners I see, they have a bony projection here. I see my abdomen is out of my chest. Until this cavity is not coming on, if you do, you will have strain. You feel suffocation, shortness in your breathing. Okay, when you do, you have to do like this. There is a bend here. Can you understand? Yes. Twist. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now change, release, and relax. Come to sitting position. Sit down, stretch out the legs, bend the legs at your knees, and stretch. Extend the arms. Yes, bend the legs, place the palms. 1, 2, the heels touching go towards the glute, the knee pointing towards the ceiling. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change, right leg on the left leg thigh, turn your body towards the left side, face right side. 1. Change your leg, left leg on the right leg thigh, turn your body towards the right side, face left side. Change your leg, change your leg, change your leg.
should we touch with knee the floor?
Yeah, if the chin is not going out, don't touch.
Okay.
Chin and knee is like a meeting point. See, when I'm coming, for some people they keep the chin here and they try to drop. You will stay in the back. See, when I'm moving, knee and my chin. When I'm doing, see, I'm rotating. If this rotational, you will have neck strain. That's why I don't mention this. Just you do the practice, you will understand. If you have some doubts like this, you can ask in between. And you should either place it on the shin bone or on the thigh, not place it on the kneecap. Okay, always when you place it, should be like this straight, not like this. If you go from here, you are opening the leg and you are dropping. It will not work. Yes, yes, change. Change. Now change. Drop, bend the both legs at your knees. Bend the both legs at your knees. Go for the knee inverts. Knee inverts. Navel in line with your knee. You don't do it diagonally. This is easy. What do you do? When you pull, you see, there are many ways to do. First is working on the lower body, and then if you want to work on the upper body, stretching, lengthening from here. It's 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change. Go for the counter. 1 inward and outward thigh muscle. Look at the opposite side. Inward and outward thigh muscle. Look at the opposite side. The chin is the center point to meet. Yes. Now change. Baddha Konasana, butterfly. Yes. Yes, when you don't go and hit here, drop, drop. Inhale, exhale, drop. When you drop, what it goes, let it go. Don't fix the mind and try to push. You will have only strain. Drop. And if you want to place the hands, fingers pointing inward, rotate. See, the idea is when you move up, I'm pushing this and then lifting up. Then you will have a stretch. Yes, don't move like this is easy. Doing like this. When you move down, you are extending. You are extending. Change butterfly with support. Fist the hands, lift the leg up. Sorry, today since you said only 40 minutes, I am trying to do my maximum. So no break, no instruction, no correction. Yes. Up and down. 1. If you can't, you can also hold like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change, release the hands, move the right leg above the left leg, lock the legs. Drop the, see, same chin and knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change your leg. Left leg above the right leg. Change your leg. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotate the pelvis. Rotate it fully. Yes. 5. Yes. 6. Drop the knees down. Both the knees down. Relax. Change. Lift the right leg up. Child catch. Baby catch. Baby. Open. Down. Left leg up. Down. Right leg up. Down. Left leg up. Down. Change. Go for Bhumi Namaskar. 180 degree. 1, 2. Full twist. Your body should cover up in your own mat. If you are sitting in your mat, the hand should be inside your mat. 4, 5, 6. Now change the last movement. Lock the legs. Move the right leg above the left leg. Lock the legs and go for 180 degree. 1. Lock the legs and go for the maximum. Yes. Drop the knees down and go. 1. Both the sides. 2, 3. Now change your leg. Change your leg. Left leg above the right leg. Go for 3 counts. 1. Both the sides. But do it both the sides. Right and the left. 1, 2, 3. Now change. Relax. Lie on the back. Lie on the back. Bend the legs at your knees and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now change. Right leg on the left leg thigh. Turn your body left side. Face right side. Change your leg. Left leg on the right leg thigh. Turn your body right side. Face left side. Change your leg. Change your leg. Change your leg. Change. Now slowly bend your both legs at your knees. Catch out of the ankle. Go for knee inwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now change. Release the hands. Drop both the leg knees down. Look at the opposite side. 1. Like this. Yes. 2. Yes, the same like we did in sitting. 3. Inward and outward thigh muscle equally placed. 4. Now change. Baddha Konasana. Butterfly. Butterfly. Open. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change. Bring the knees together. Move the right leg above the left leg. Lock the legs. Lock the legs. Drop it on one side. Look at the opposite side. 2. Both the sides. Both the sides. 3. These are all just an extract of the whole practice. 4, 5, 6. Now change your leg. Change your leg. Left leg above the right leg. Lock. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look over, opposite shoulder. 5, 6. Now change, release, stretch out the legs. Stretch out the legs. Inhale, right leg up. Inhale, right leg up. Catch out of the ankle. Catch out of the ankle. Pull it towards the head. Both the hands. Both the hands. Yeah. Pull towards the head. Nothing will happen. Down. Yes, down. Opposite leg up. Left leg up. My class will be strong. I push people. Down. Yes. Right leg up. Down. Left leg up. Down. Right leg up. Down. Now change. Left leg up. Last time. Down. This will only improve your pelvic flexibility. The psoas, iliacs, you continuously flex and extend. Understand? By relaxing the upper body. Now inhale, both the legs up. Inhale, both the legs up. Open the legs. Open the legs. Bring the hands and catch hold of here. Long lever. Lever. L-E-V-R. You have studied in physics. L-E-V-R. It's a long lever. You are putting like lever. You are creating leverage. 1, 2. From the chest it should come, not from here. It should come from the chest. Yes, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change ankle catch and front catch. Always remember to do counters. Whenever you do slitting splits or line splits, ankle catch, catch out of the ankle, ankle catch. Heels and toes down. Yeah, drop the knees down. Yeah. This is the counter posture, complementary posture. Yes. And then change. Release the hands, drop both the leg knees down. Release the hands. Yeah. Hands in the side. Opposite side, like inward and outward thigh muscle. Yes. And then relax. Stretch out the legs and relax yourself. For just 5 to 10 breaths, make the exhalation longer and deeper. Exhalation longer. Inhale 2 counts, exhale 4 counts. Inhale 3 counts, exhale 6 counts. Close the eyes and do that. Exhale. Make the expiration longer and deeper. Yes, inhale, exhale. At least 5 to 10 breaths. So now slowly bring the feet together and hands together. Extend your right arm up above the head. Bend the left leg at your knees. Turn your body towards the right side. Slowly come to sitting position. We close with the prayer. Bring the palms together. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Closing prayer. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyakenam yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjali pranatoshmi. Shanti. Now gently bring your both hands back, catch hold of your wrist. Exhale, slowly bend forward, drop your forehead down. Now inhale, slowly come up. Open the chest, release your hands, rub the palms against each other. Make it into cup shape, place it in and around your hands. Open your eyes. Thank you very much. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Actually, we do this for structural integration. So it takes, even though you come many times, this will be the one, unless we master this will be the sequence which we follow in our school. First we correct the body structure, prepare the joints more and more, and then we go into the postures. Because we do a lot of practices. So this is like it's a small foundation. The whole sequence takes more than 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. It will be very, very simple but very strong. Because we do day by day, it's like a flowering. You change accordingly, according to the situation. We don't have a fixed idea in this. We read the body. This is also for body reading, where the person's flexibility lies, where he is stuck, where he has to work. For some people, you can see when you move, the right hand will go much more. This is way for the teacher to study. That's why we do. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed, because I was a little bit pushy. Initially my classes will be strong and pushy. Sometimes it will be easier also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kano.
Thank you.
Is it the practice similar to Sukshma Vyayama, Sthula Vyayama?
No, Suksha Vyam, it's I cannot say it is similar. It is different, because yes, it is also called Pavana Muktasana. Pavana means wind or gas, releasing. Mukti means mukta, liberation, releasing posture. It releases. In other ways, you can call it as articulation exercises. Articulation. Arteries you have, it opens up the arteries, they say. It's a special sequence. Suksha Vyam, I don't know. I haven't practiced.
Okay.
It's from a different tradition. Maybe we can do a comparative study.
What is the name of this tradition for this exercise?
Pavana Muktasana. This is the name of the practice.
What is the name of tradition?
Hatha Yoga tradition.
Hatha Yoga.
We don't. There are teachers who found it. We don't keep the teachers' name.
Like-
Always we contributed to the tradition.
It's more south.
Sorry.
South.
Yeah, more south.
India.
It's specially practiced in only my place.
Mm.
It's a very nobody can go and really learn. If you go, you'll not learn this. It'll be a
Your
different-
place is more Chennai or?
My native is Neyveli. Neyveli. It's yes, near Chennai,
Near Chennai.
near Pondicherry.
Okay.
That's how it is. But now nobody practices and teaches this much. Now it got modified.
Okay.
Now it really got modified. It went into a fitness world, so more external. It's more in aligning the body, for studying the body constitution of a person, to have the balance between the right and left, to have the integration. So even when you arch back, some people use only the upper body, some people use only the middle part. So to read and feel the person reading, so that the chakras, the energy centers will be in a harmony. That is the whole idea. We connect with what you studied in the morning, so it goes together. That's the whole purpose.
This is ancient practice.
Yes, it's very excellent, and it has been time tested. Time tested. It has been practiced for. Nobody has got any injury or strain out of this.
Okay.
Not only this, we have some much more like gymnastic practices. You can see like more complicated, but we keep this as a foundation. Unless the person crosses this, we feel that the person can take a hold of other practices. We don't push. We do this and salutation, some more postures, because the body has to be integrated. And that we read. We can maybe next time, if you are here, if you see somewhere, I will show where with my experience how we look and how we do. With this itself, this is enough for you, I hope.
Okay.
If you could continue integrate a little bit before your asana, it can be really handy. And because your mind has to flow through your body. That's the whole principle. The mind has to flow through your body. Body is made, systems are made out of cells. You should feel each and every part of the body. Your awareness. Like a glass, you are looking at your whole body. Tumbler glass. You are looking at your whole body and doing. That's the practice. Okay. Hope that you.
Thank you, Kannan. Thank you very much.
Thank you.